Did you know learning the boxer skip instantly lets you jump rope for longer? I've taught jump rope for over 15 years, and the boxer skip is the foundation of jump rope footwork. By learning it, you will open the door to many other skills and footwork options, and learn it you shall. Because in this video, I'm showing you exactly how to learn the boxer skip in just 3 easy steps. How to add style to your boxer skip so you can look super smooth, and then I'll demonstrate 2 additional boxing style footwork techniques closely linked to the boxer skip, and mastering these moves will enhance your flow and agility like a professional boxer. So let's jump into the 3 steps to learning the boxer skip. Whenever you're learning a new footwork, put your rope down so you can focus on learning the footwork. If you try to learn it while jumping rope, there's too much going on, which leads to a lot of trips and frustration. Take a flat item. I'm using a weight plate, but you could use a book or something else. The key to the boxer skip is shifting your weight from one foot to the other. Think of it as 90% of the weight is on the support foot while 10% is on the other foot or the balance foot. Start with one foot on your target item and jump on the support foot while tapping your balance foot to the target. Do this on both sides. This will help you feel the weight distribution on each side. Your feet shouldn't be landing at the same time. The support foot should land first, followed by the balance foot. It should sound like this. Now we want to jump side to side. This will help you get used to shifting your weight from one foot to the other and ensure that your support foot lands with the majority of weight on it while you tap the other foot to the target. Start at a slow pace and gradually pick up speed until you reach a consistent tempo. Next, we want to greatly reduce the side-to-side jump motion. Stand directly behind your target item. Do the same drill by reaching your foot slightly forward to tap the target. Again, start slow and gradually build up your tempo. Once you're comfortable, move backwards off the target and continue the footwork tapping the ground where your foot is at. This is the basic boxer skip. On to step 3. Now let's add in the rope. The first thing we need to do is get you used to the boxer skip while rotating the rope. Start jumping on your left leg first for 5 jumps, tapping the ground with your right foot. Then shift to the right leg for 5 more jumps while tapping the left foot. Doing this will keep you from thinking about the shift from foot to foot too much while keeping your rope tempo. Repeat this until you're comfortable with it. Now let's drop down to 3 jumps on our right leg and shift to 3 jumps on our left leg. Keep repeating 3 jumps back and forth until comfortable. Then drop another jump and do 2 jumps on each leg. And finally, move to 1 jump per leg. Focus on staying light on your feet with the balance foot touching the ground just after the support foot. Congratulations, that's the boxer skip. But we're not done. Now let's add some style to your boxer skip, and it's very simple. You want to start mixing up how many times you jump on one foot between 1 and 2 times. Here's a pattern you can follow. The pattern is right, right, left, left, right, left. It helps if you start out saying the pattern out loud like this. Right, right, left, left, right, left. Right, right, left, left, right, left. Footwork is largely about building patterns. Make your own and have fun with it. The next thing you can do is, instead of tapping your balance foot straight down, we are going to start tapping it out to the side more like this. Then begin adding in the regular boxer skip with the side taps while changing up the pattern of jumps per leg, and you'll begin to generate some stylish flow. Now don't worry if this feels difficult at first, that's normal, but the more you practice it, the more ingrained the footwork will become, and at some point you're just going to suddenly realize that you're not thinking about it at all. You're just doing it. Now let's cover 2 closely related boxer style skips that will be an easy transition after learning the boxer skip to add even more style. First up is heel taps. Just as before, let's start without the rope. Start with your feet together. Now you will jump and touch your left heel in front of you, jump and bring your feet together. Jump, touch your right heel in front of you, jump together. A voice prompt for this one you can use is heel together, heel together, heel together. Gradually add speed, and once you get comfortable with the footwork, add in the rope. Now I'm going to teach you one of my favorites, and it's called the heel toe step. To start, kick your left heel out, Then jump and shift your back foot up on its toes and front foot directly under you. Jump and take your back right foot and kick out the heel. Jump and shift back to left foot on its toes and right foot under you. It will seem like a lot at first, but it's just a simple pattern. Get that down so you don't have to think about it, and then add in the rope. This is where it gets fun. Now you can start transitioning between the boxer skip, side taps, heel taps, and the heel toe skip, mixing it up in different ways. This will develop your coordination and your flow. And if you really want to level up your jump rope game, simply practicing won't get you there. You need to know what to practice to develop the right skills. And I show you how in this video right here.